हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, हाउ आर यू। आई होप आप लोग अच्छे होंगे और मैं भी हूँ। क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन की एक्सरसाइज 4.4 क्वेश्चन नंबर 10। इफ रूट्स ऑफ द इक्वेशन c माइनस ए बी सी स्क्वायर माइनस ए बी एक्स स्क्वायर माइनस 2 टाइम्स ए स्क्वायर माइनस बी सी टाइम्स एक्स प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस ए सी इक्वल टू 0 आर इक्वल, prove that either a equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So let us solve solution. Given equation c square minus ab x square minus 2 times a square minus bc x plus b square minus ac is equal to 0. Now compare with standard equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a is equal to c square minus ab. C square minus ab. B is equal to minus 2 times a square minus bc, and c is equal to b square minus ac. Now because roots are equal, it means given roots, since roots are equal, discriminant d is equal to b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Put value of b minus 2a square minus bc whole square minus 4 times a c square minus ab times b square minus ac is equal to 0. Implies that 2 square 4 times a minus b whole square. A square whole square is equal to a raised to the power 4 plus b square c square minus 2 times bc a square bc plus 4 times b square c square minus b cube minus ac cube and minus a square bc minus a square bc is equal to 0. Implies that take common for both sides. 4 a raised to the power 4 b square c square minus 2 times a square bc plus b square, b square c square minus b square c square plus minus minus, here is minus sign, sorry, minus b square c square minus minus plus ab cube plus ac cube minus a square bc is equal to 0. So b square c square, b square c square plus minus cancel out. Now 4 times a raised to the power 4 minus 2 times a square bc plus ab square ab cube plus ac cube minus a square bc is equal to 0. Take common a. Here is a common. 4a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 2abc minus abc minus 213abc is equal to 0. Here is product of two terms is equal to 0. It means either 4 equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 0. If 4a is equal to 0 implies that a is equal to 0. When a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 0, then move 3abc to right side. A cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Hence proved. A equal to 0. Hence a equal to either a is equal to 0 or a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3ab proved. Next question. If the roots of the equation if the roots of the equation a square b square a square plus b square times x square minus 2 times ac plus bd times x plus c square plus d square is equal to 0 are equal. Prove that a over b is equal to c over d. Solution. Here is given the roots of the equation a square plus b square plus x square minus 2 times a plus c b plus d ac plus bd times x plus c square plus d square is equal to 0 are equal. Solution. Given equation a square plus b square x square minus 2 times ac plus bd times x plus c square plus d square is equal to 0. Now comparing with standard equation here a equal to comparing with standard equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. Here a equal to a square plus b square. B is equal to minus 2 times AC plus BD and C is equal to C square plus D square. For for equal roots, we know that we know that B square discriminant B square minus 4AC is equal to 0. Put value in place of B minus 2 times A AC plus BD whole square minus 4 times A square plus B square times C square plus D square is equal to 0. Now open this bracket, you get 2 minus 2 square is equal to 4. 4 times now A plus B whole square. Applying this formula, A square C square plus 2 times AC into BD plus B square D square minus 4 times A square C square and B square C square plus B square C square plus A square D square plus B square D square. D square is equal to 0. Now here 4 is common. a square c square plus 2 times ac into bd plus b square d square minus a square c square minus b square c square minus a square d square minus b square d square is equal to 0. So here a square c square plus minus cancel out plus b square d square positive negative cancel out. So multiply by minus, so minus a square c square minus b square c square plus 2 times ac times bd is equal to 0. Multiplying both sides by minus. So minus minus plus and here will be minus. So you can write a square ac whole square minus a square plus b square minus 2ab bc whole square minus 2 times ac into bd is equal to 0. This can be written AC minus BC whole square is equal to 0. AC minus BC is equal to 0. So AC is equal to BC. So transpose B left side and BD, sorry. BD. So A by B is equal to B by C. C by D. C by D is minus BD. AC AD square BC square, sorry, A AD square, AD square, AD square plus BC square. Okay, AD square, BD square, BC square. So here can be written AD BC. So AD BC, AD BC, AD by BC. A by B is equal to C by D. Hence proved. Thank you for watching.